Hey everybody, welcome back. Back on the Jeep today. As you saw in the previous video, I had to take out the front driveline because, well, it was bad. So, giving you guys an update on where we're at with it. We did take it for a test drive after I pulled that out. Man, that thing drove nice. It drove better than I've ever had it drive yet. So, I think that driveline's been having issues for a while, but the good news is we're back on it. And again, there's the old driveline. Bad bearings. Sorry, it's noisy out here. But the good news is we got the replacement in. And I want to give a shout out to carparts.com because we ordered this part on Saturday and we got it on Tuesday, so they were fast getting it here. And the actual part itself was only 112 bucks. And I already opened it up and checked to make sure that the size and everything matched up, and it does. So today I get to put it back in. Yay! So once I get everything together, I'll get started and show you guys what I did and how I did it. Okay, talk to you soon. Right now I'm just trying to get the bolts in finger tight so I can make sure everything's sitting flat before I crank it down. But installation is pretty much the exact opposite of what you saw on the removal process. I did realize that the bolts on the front are a different length than the ones on the back, so it took me a minute to figure out which bolts went to which side. But when you match them up to the new driveline, it's pretty obvious that the front plate is thicker, so to ensure that the bolts have something to grab onto, the longer bolts went towards the front of the vehicle and the shorter ones went towards the back of the vehicle. Now I haven't jacked this up yet. It's not up on a jack so I can spin the wheel. So I was under the impression that I could put it in neutral and just leave it in neutral, but even by doing that, it's still not getting it to turn right. So I'll probably end up having to jack it up. Alright, let's see if I got that close enough. Yeah, it's getting caught on that little metal tab thing. I don't want to break it off because I know that's what holds it there, but maybe I could just tap it past it. There. Sorry, but my hand is going to be in the way for this one because it's just being a little bit of a bear. Can't even get my socket on it because of that tab. Nope. Gotta rotate it just a little bit. Not that way. Yeah. That one's going to be a little complicated. Alright. Well, I brought my backup. So if I could at least get this tightened down past that little tab, this may allow me to get my socket on there. Okay, let's see if that'll get my socket on there. Okay. Good news is all was not lost. Not that I thought it would be, but still had to make sure. Camera went spawonky there for some of that, so you didn't see it, but I went through and I tightened all the bolts, and I did it in a way that same way as what you do on a tire. Crisscross and do do one on the bottom, then do one on the opposite end, then do one off to the left, and then do one to the right, and keep going all the way around just to make sure everything is flat and flush. But all the bolts are now on there. They're good and tight. And same on the back side. I went through and got them all tight. Same pattern, same way. But so now at this point, everything is bolted in and secured. Just a matter of taking it out for a drive. Making sure there's still no more noises going on, which I highly doubt there would be. It does look like, though, I wouldn't be surprised if that pinion seal is possibly leaking, though, because there's a lot of grease in there, or oil. But I did check the inside, I did check the fluids, and the fluid level is still level. So I don't know if that's just old runoff or what, but definitely be keeping an eye on that. But it's not just there. I can see some over here, up in that area. So it could be something else that was leaking, or possibly is still leaking. But I'll keep an eye on that. So the good news is this part is done. I can officially say completing the front driveline on this Jeep was definitely not no $900 job, because all in all, minus the time, it was about $112 plus shipping. So probably closer to 150. And if I had all the right tools, it probably would have only been an hour job, give or take. But even then, it was really only took me a couple hours total to take out the old one and put the new one in. So really, I have a hard time seeing why I could have been quoted $900 for that repair. That's how it is. Sometimes you have to question your mechanic and ask him for an explanation. And if he can't really give you a good explanation, then you might want to find a new mechanic. But anyway, the next thing I do have to do on this thing, I don't know if I'll do it today or if I'll work on it another day, is the window does not roll down all the way. Now the battery is dead right now, so I can't really show you, but I'm gonna have to open up that panel and get in there and see if the track is bent or a cable is shot or what's going on. But I'm not really sure if I'm going to do that now or if I might wait a little while. So you can see other people have taken it off before, because that's not a manufacturer bolt. That's definitely not a manufacturer bolt. Nor was that hole, nor was this bolt. Looks like somebody ran a screw in there. But it's staying on, so whatever they had to do, they did, and it worked, so kudos. But taking this off, getting in there and figuring that out will probably be the next thing on the to-do list on the Jeep. But I'm probably not going to get a bid on that. I'm probably just going to do it, because I don't want to really take it into a shop and have them say, yep, it's broken, it'll cost you $2 grand to fix, because then I'll just end up doing it myself anyway. So might as well save the money. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. If you want to check out more of our antics, some of the other stuff we do, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next project. Thanks. Bye.